Imagine start affiliate marketing today with zero. No website, no ads, no fancy tools. Yet, you could make it fast commission in just few days. Sound impossible? That's exactly what I am going to show you in this video. Most beginners fail not because affiliate marketing is hard, because they start in the wrong way. I will break it down a proven zero investment system that beginners and pros are using in 2025 to make fast and build a scalable business. Stay with me because I will also reveal a step-by-step framework most people never tell about. Backed by data-driven real examples, here's the hard truth. You don't need a website, expensive tools, or paid ads to start affiliate marketing. According to Statistics, over 65 of top percent affiliate marketers started with little or no budget. The key is smart strategy and smart platforms choice, not money. Starting with zero forces you to focus on what really matters. Understanding your audience, creating high-value content, driving traffic that actually converts. Many people think they need to spend hundreds of tools or ads. That's a myth. The most important asset in your time and efforts. And if you invest it wisely, you can see results in days, not months. Step 1 to choosing right affiliate program. Not all programs are worth your time. Look for highest commissions, aim for 30% or more. Digital products are gold here. Clickbank and Zevzu 50% plus commissions, reliable tracking and payouts. You don't want your hard work disappearing due to tracking issues. Products people are already went, check the bestseller list and trends. You can also see Google Trends to find the hot niches to pro tip. Pick one or two products, master promoting them, and scale. Don't spare yourself then choosing dozens of products. It dilutes effort and results. Here's the magic part. Driving the free traffic that actually buys. You don't need paid ads if you are to start right. 1. YouTube. Short plus long form. Short, value-driven videos get incredible engagement. For example, for a 30-second clip about a software tool can drive hundreds of clicks. YouTube. YouTube is second largest search engine, which means people are actively looking for solutions. 2. Social media platforms, Instagram, Reels, TikTok, and Threads are perfect for organic reach. Use problem solution content. Example, struggling to grow your email list? Here's a free tool that solve in 5 minutes. 3. Free blogging platforms, Medium, LinkedIn, or even free WordPress blogs can rank in Google if you are write helpful step-by-step content. Include your affiliate link naturally within your tutorial or review. Data point: Influencer Marketing Hub shows that creators using short-form videos see 2 to 5x higher engagement than traditional posts. That means more clicks and faster commissions. Traffic alone is not enough. You need to convert it into sales. That's where most beginners fail. Lead magnets offer free value in exchange for an email, PDF, checklist, and mini guide. That's build trust. Strong CTS always tell viewers exactly what to do next. Click in the link to get started or sign up for free storytelling. Share your experience. Example: I struggled for months until I found this tool. Here's how it changed my results. Even with the free traffic, good storytelling and clear CTS can convert 1 to 5% for viewers into paying customers. That's enough to make your fast commission. It's time to scale smartly. Email marketing. Platforms like GetSubscribers or MailerLite offer free tries, build a list, nurture leads, and recommend your affiliate products. Repurpose content. Turn on YouTube Shorts into your TikTok, Instagram Reel, or LinkedIn post. Multiply your research without spending a dime. Analyze and optimize. Track clicks, conversion, and content performance. Double down on what works. Remember, you don't need huge budget. Consistency plus strategy equal compound growth. Many top affiliate marketers started with zero and now makes 5 to 10K per month. Affiliate marketing is not about spending money, it's about strategy, action, and persistence. Start today with zero investment, follow those steps, and you can make your first commission this way. Comment below which affiliate product are you started with. I will give you feedback and tips. Click the descriptions for my recommended tools, guides, and email marketing platforms to speed up your results. Remember, your first commission, it's proof that affiliate marketing works. Just need the right strategy. Let's go make it happen. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.